In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to the advanced view in TradingView, specifically for futures or paper trading. We'll be walking through this step by step, so even if you're new to TradingView, you'll find it easy to follow along. To start, navigate to the TradingView website. This is your primary destination for accessing advanced trading tools and charts. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the screen and click on the search bar. Here, you can search for the specific futures contract you were interested in. For example, you might enter something like BTC1 or Binance BTCUSD TRP to pull up a Bitcoin futures chart. After selecting your desired futures instrument, click on the Launch Chart button. This action will open up a detailed view of the chart, which is the gateway to the advanced trading features we're aiming to explore. The chart that appears will give you access to specific insights and tools, definitely a vital step in the process. Next, direct your attention to the trading panel at the bottom of the screen. This panel is where you can select the broker you'd like to use for your trades. You'll see several options like paper trading, Binance, Bybit, and more. Choose your preferred broker to proceed. Once chosen, there's a Connect button you'll need to click. This connection is essential, as it integrates the broker's trading features with TradingView's powerful charting capabilities. Now that you've connected your broker, you should notice several additional features populating your interface. There will be an order panel on the right side of the screen, along with clearly marked buy and sell buttons. Here, you also have the flexibility to adjust your position size, leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels, providing a wealth of options to configure your trades. You might also spot a button marked DOM, which stands for Depth of Market. Clicking this button will give you further insights into market liquidity, a critical component for making informed trading decisions. Not to be missed in this setup is the Order button. Clicking it will bring you into what is officially the advanced view of TradingView. In this advanced view, you'll find a robust suite of tools, including P&L calculations, real-time position management, and an array of indicators that you can overlay on your charts. Additionally, the multi-screen layout offers traders the ability to monitor various aspects of the market simultaneously. Finally, to place your trade, you can make decisions based on all the available data, and when ready, click Buy, followed by Send Order to execute your trade. This user-friendly interface is perfect for both novice and seasoned traders, offering everything you need right at your fingertips. With these steps, you've successfully navigated to the advanced view in TradingView for futures or paper trading. It's that simple. Thank you for watching and happy trading.